Tired of tough meat? I'm showing you how to get restaurant quality tender beef short ribs using a slow cooker. We are blending traditional African soul with a modern umami twist of honey and soy. Perfect for busy weeknights or a Sunday feast. Hey everyone, it's Magali. Welcome back to the Blue Fufu. Today we are tackling a diaspora struggle, wanting that deep, slow-cooked African flavor without standing over the stove for 4 hours. These short ribs are the answer, tender, glossy, and full of modern umami. Let's get into it. First, you want to start by chopping your ingredients, and for me, I find it easier when I just take time to have all of my ingredients line up like this, and it goes so much faster, guys, and it's less of a hassle. So I highly recommend the mise en place before. So we're gonna start by searing our short ribs. So the sear that gives the deep flavor, right? So you want to make them brown because it gives the chef quality flavor to the meat. So you don't want to skip that step at all. And then you remove your meat, and we'll start by sauteing. Here I have my onion, garlic, celery. Again, we are building the flavor from the bottom of the slow cooker. You can see you have all that the glaze that's there at the bottom, so it's full of flavor. I'm adding all of my aromatics. It's just building flavor slowly. It takes less than 20 minutes to do this. You add your tomato paste. You want to use tomato paste. You want to use fresh tomatoes, use tomato paste. Highly recommended. The flavor is just different. And then you add your short ribs. So we are done. We are making sure that our short ribs are coated with all of those beautiful flavor. Guys, I wish you could smell it. It smells incredible. I usually cook that early in the morning, so it's ready for the kids when they come back from school, and as soon as they get into the house, they know what we're eating that day. So now I'm just mixing all of my liquids here. It's just easier this way. And my honey, the umami is it's incredible. And I'm pouring it all over my meat into the slow cooker for 4 hours or 6 hours, and voila, and it's ready. The depth of flavor, it's incredible. This recipe is a great recipe whether you are just starting to cook, you're a beginner cook. I don't think you can go with this recipe. The slow cooker, that's the rest. Make sure to season to taste. I'll add all of my aromatics. I like to add thyme, cilantro, you name it. It's so good. So into the slow cooker for 4 hours, and then voila, it tastes incredible. So much flavor, so much depth. Grab the full recipe on thebluefufu.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me, what are you serving this with? See you on the next recipe. Bye.